Hello guys, I'm here to show you a simple COVID-19 chatbot that can answer your questions related to COVID-19. Firstly, let's just go through the code real quick. So here are few dependencies that you have to install before running this code. So there's a Discord. So this chatbot is implemented in Discord, by the way. So we have to import these libraries using pip install in command line. So after you import these libraries, so we are going to import search from Google search, and then from LNNLP we are going to initialize the predictor using this link, which is a Google API. And then we have the stemmer and lemmatization from NLP. And then here is my function, my question, which takes a question as input and gives us a respective answer. So let's quickly go through this function and see what's happening. So we have initialized the result links list, which takes the question and then gives out the top three links that we get from a Google search if we search the same question in search engine. So what it does is for result in search of question. So this generator is going to give us three links, and we are going to append those links into the results link list. And then I'm initializing a reference text and condensed text, these two strings. So I'll tell you what they do in a while. Yeah, here we see for link in result link. So we are iterating over those three links, and then we are requesting the link HTML using the request and using beautiful soup, which is used for web scraping. So from that, I'm going to extract the text from all the three links and save it to reference text. So uh, when we are saving the text, the new line is replaced with slash n, backslash n. So I'm just replacing it again with a space, and then I'm splitting it in the dot so as to make the sentences, a list of sentences. So yeah, then we take the question and split the question at each word. So we say it as we store it in S, and then using stemmer, we are going to pick out only the important words. And you know what lemmatization is nothing but bringing everything into the correct word, like past tense, present tense, and everything into the same word. And then we have the result, and I'll do what it does. So what I'm doing all here is uh, when we take the question and it takes the question and uh, checks the important words, and then it takes the sentences that we got from those three links, and then it picks out the best link, best sentence that is matched with the question. So that's what happening here. And then this part of code, which is a predictor, so what it does is it understands the its next level. Actually, it's the next level of predicting the answer. So what it does is from the most relevant sentences, it picks out the exact word that we were expecting as an answer. Like when we give the question, we expect the answer to be like one word, not the whole paragraph or whole website. So that's what it does. And then we are initializing a Discord client. So basically, what Discord does is it just it's a reason behind the implementation of chatbot in Discord. So what it does is it just takes a message as input, and then it uses this function, which is my question, and then sends the answer to us. So when we starts with $Q sign, so we basically when we are asking question in Discord, we have to start the question with $Q space, and then we have to give the question. So let's see how the Discord chatbot works. It takes a few seconds. Yeah, the bot is ready. So let's just go to Discord, and we have this bot called Radiant, which is currently active and live. So let's test out some questions. Let's say, what is COVID-19? Is this corona disease? COVID-19 is an infectious disease. Okay. And then let's ask some more questions. What are symptoms of COVID-19? Headache, loss of smell, taste. Yeah. And let us one more question. How many cases are recorded in India? There we go, 37,379. So that's all. Thank you.